InDesign is a program that you use to lay out magazines, books, newspapers, brochures, pamphlets. Simple, simple and used to be so similar to PageMaker or Quark or iPhone 6. So your preference can vary. Some see the most current one, which is online version of that with subscription. So when you want to create some program, you go File, New, Document, you for that, and keep in mind if you're doing anything print, always put a 5mm. Is very important. It makes a difference between short. Next thing, if you wanted to start on a DPS and you forgot to do it in your first process, click on this little arrow part here, double click, and it will come up on the screen with that. What you do is you go to your part here, 2, so that it starts, and the number 2, and as you can see, it does it. So if you want to know the different two images that you place with bleed and art, so this will be with bleed, for instance, put one so that what I mean, bleed. If I copy the same image, next page, no bleed. When you print, the chances of your printer creating a slight white border like so is stronger. Why? Because of your, if you've got your clip mark. Now that's with bleed the page, they can trim it, you won't have it. Your picture will go straight to the. That's the reason why we always insist on having bleed. Okay. For those of you, I work in millimeters because we work in the metric system. But if you work in America and you want to work in inches and everything like that, normally when you're setting up your program, you're already automatic inches. If you are not and you are in the metric system, all you have to do is go to your edit, up here, go down to your preferences and then go to units and increment. Here you can change what you work, whether you want inches, points, picas, millimeters, centimeters. Each of these means something different. Points and picas is normally used for font sizes and leading, those are the sizes. It's a different system to work. There are a lot of layout artists that prefer to use it like that. South Africa, we don't. We actually work in millimeters, centimeters. The only time points and picas is when we are fonts, kerning and leading. Then we work our pike points. Other than that, we work solely in and that inches, as you know, is the American way. And then this one, the Seros, that is just the way the Italians and the French and them do their layouts. That's their system that they work with. But that is for newspapers. Those newspapers do work differently in the sense that they work in columns. They lay out columns, advertising sizes, column sizes, and everything like that. And pixels, as you know, is what you use for web. And that. So for those are your different custom sizes. So you can change it to whatever you want, whichever system works the best for you. That's what you can change it to, and that. But if you're happy with millimeters, you're happy. And that's the end of this lesson in the sense of how to open up a new page. And that next lesson, I will show you how to replace text, images. Got any questions on this first one of just opening up, creating a page, and that changing it from a single page to a DPS, like so? Just let me know.